Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the phone. Let's tap on it, find the contact you'd like to edit on this left section and tap on it, just like in my case, the dad. So here we have to tap on this camera icon right in the middle, and as you can see, we've got actually 3 different options from which we can choose. So if you want to, you can pick something from those avatars, let's say. You can just tap on this plus icon, and as you can see, you will be able to pick from plenty of options to choose from, but let me get back because I don't want to do that. And here we've got also 2 additional options. So we've got the gallery and camera. After tapping on the camera, your device will obviously open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her. But if not, you can simply enter the gallery. So let me pick this option. Of course, if you will do it for the very first time, you will have to give all the permissions. So simply tap on allow and find the photo you'd like to use. So let me pick this Patrick option, and here from this step you can adjust the size of this square with the circle, because this highlighted area, this highlighted circle, is responsible for what you will see after saving it. So what will be added to the contact. So of course it's up to you how you want to set it. You cannot zoom in or out the photo, unfortunately. You can just adjust this square with the circle, and if you're done with everything, with customizing, simply tap on done. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied right here. So here you have to remember about tapping on save, because if not, we will just go back and the picture won't be applied. So let's tap on save, and as you can see, our dad contact right now has got a perfect picture, and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls, for example, from that number, or whilst texting. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.